First things first, you're gonna get in a scanner to see what type of code that you get in. Read codes. We have a EVAP system leak. Inspect any hoses and connection and make sure the gas cap is tightly closed. We're just making sure we don't have any evaporating emission system leak. This one over here, so we're gonna be replacing this. And then just make this last test. You shouldn't have any air coming through when it's disconnected. If you found this video useful, comment down below and subscribe to my channel. I will see you in the next one.